Hey guys, it's Daniel Alley. Look, I have thousands of dollars here and I want to talk with you about money because I believe that a lot of times people allow this to control their decisions in their life. But I want to tell you something. If you allow money to tell you what to do, then you're never going to be able to understand how to tell money what to do. You see, you have to take control of your money before it takes control of you. And if you understand how money works, you're going to know that money is a slave to you. You are not a slave to it. You have to have the abundance mentality if you want to break through. So you have all the money in the world. There's millions and billions and trillions of dollars out there, but you cannot allow money to control what you do. You cannot let money tell you how to live your life. You have to understand that money is just a tool to help you get things done. Money is a way to live your highest desires, but you can't hate money. You have to understand its purpose in your life. These thousands of dollars have been created because of the value I've created in society. And the only way you can ever get paid is if your value meets or exceeds the expectations of the people that you want to serve. So the reason why I have this money is because I've helped people. If you want to make $1 million, then you've got to make 1 million people smile. No one's going to pay you if you're not doing anything. You're not going to get rich if you're working a 9 to 5 expecting that one stream of income to create wealth for you. You need your money to work on your behalf. You need to keep investing in yourself and use money as a tool to help you get more done in life. Now let me tell you something else about money. Money never discriminates based on your race. Money doesn't say, oh, because you're Asian, I'm not going to give it to you. Oh, because you're old, you don't deserve it. Money cannot look at color. Money cannot look at age. Money does not say, you do not deserve this. You say that. So you have to have the abundance mentality. You have to say, I deserve the money. I need the money. Now, if you're discriminating against other people and you think that they're not humble because they have money and they're showing off, shame on you. But if you understand that money is a tool to help you reach your highest expression in the order of God, then God will provide more money to you. And that's how money works. So you can't be desperate anymore. Stop trading time for money and understand that money is only made based on the value and the results that you create for other people. Guys, money is widely available. But you gotta understand where it comes from. It does not come from the bank. It does not come from other people. It comes from God. You see, money can be created by the government anytime. If something happens, let's say this recent pandemic, the government just shells out money because they can create it anytime. And if the government can make trillions of dollars, why can't you make millions or billions of dollars on command? Like I said, you have to control your money. You cannot allow your money to control you. Take charge of your wealth. Take charge of your finances. Take charge of your earning power. And money will be your servant instead of your master. So there you go, my friends. That's my talk on money today. If you enjoyed this message, make sure to type yes in the comment section below. Share this video with someone else that absolutely needs it. Guys, remember, if you know your money, you're gonna grow your money. Money reacts to your attitudes about it. So if you have the right attitude about your money, then you will multiply it too. Guys, this is Daniel Alley, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.